Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to add a Smart Stack widget on your iPhone. So let's start. First, long press on the home screen. Now tap on the plus icon on top right or top left corner. Now add a widget you like. I'll select podcast. Now select the size and tap on Add Widget. I'll take it to a new page. Now let's add another one. Let's select Maps. And let's select another one. Let's go for weather. Now what you have to do is you have to put one on top of another. And that will create a smart stack. And if you swipe up or swipe down on top of the widget, you will see the widget moves. And that's how you can create or add a smart stack widget on your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.